What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Add Music to Instagram Posts. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to add music to Instagram posts. And yes, it's on Instagram posts, not story. Now let's begin by opening Instagram and create a new post. Click the plus button on the bottom part of your screen. And now select pictures or videos. Then choose next. You can now apply filters to your photos. To add music to your Instagram post, tap the music icon at the top of the app. Choose the song you wish to include in your Instagram post. Choose the length of the clip first, followed by the song portion. Now click Done to save. Add a caption, then choose Share. And that's how easy you can add music to your Instagram posts. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.